Hey everyone, ready to supercharge your productivity by connecting Notion to your favorite external apps? To build that bridge, you're going to need an API key. In 2026, Notion has streamlined the developer portal, and today I'm showing you the exact secure way to create your first integration. Let's head over to notiondevelopers.com. First, you won't find your API keys inside the standard Notion app. Instead, you need to go to developers.notion.com. Once there, look for the View My Integrations button in the top right corner. Log in with your standard Notion credentials. This portal is the secure area where all your custom connections are created and managed. Click on the large box that says Plus New Integration. You'll be asked to provide some basic info. Give it a name, something like Zapier Connection or My Website Sync, so you remember what it's for later. Select the specific workspace you want this key to access. This is important. An API key is workspace specific, so make sure you pick the right one from the drop-down menu. Next, you'll see a section called Capabilities. Here, you decide what this API key is allowed to do. For most automation tools, you'll want to check the boxes for Read Content, Update Content, and Insert Content. You can also choose whether the integration should have access to user information. Keeping these settings minimal is a great way to keep your data secure. Once you hit Submit or Save, your API key is generated. Under the Secrets tab, you'll see a code starting with secret_. This is your internal integration token. Click Show and then Copy. Pro tip, never share this code publicly or post it in screenshots, as it gives full access to your selected workspace. Treat it like a password. Final and most important step, your API key won't work until you invite it to a page. Go back to your Notion workspace, open the page or database you want to automate, click the three dots in the top right, scroll down to Add Connections, and search for the name of the integration you just created. Once you confirm, your API key is live and ready to use. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.